Okay, so today we are making kites. They're birds. The very first thing you need to do is construct your kite. No painting yet. And the first step is to take your long strip and place it at the nose of the bird, straight down. Now, before you stick it down, you're going to take two of your paper tails, you're going to put them together, and you're going to put it underneath that centerpiece. So it's all sticky. And there you go. So it looks like this. And now you're going to take your shorter cross piece, like so, and fit it across the bird where it fits. So like so. Okay? Now for the tricky part. This is the thread holder. You have your thread. It's already on your straw for you. I'm going to roll mine up a little bit more. Okay. And we're going to take this square thing off, lay it on the desk. Okay. And place our thread. I'm looking at the directions and they're very hard to follow. Place my thread here and fold it, the wings out. Aha, so the wings have to be out. Fold the wings out before you stick them together like I did. Okay, because they need to stick onto your bird. Makes much more sense now. All right. And then you attach it somehow to your bird. Catherine has no idea. There we go. Like so. Close that up like that. Aha! I did it. It was not hard at all to do. Okay, once that is done, you can take your watercolors. So you guys have a small sheet for your watercolors. I have a larger plethora of watercolors, and then you're just going to wet your brush so that you get enough paint on it. You don't want it too wet, and then you're just going to decorate your bird however you like. And then you allow it to dry, and then you can fly your kite. Seems pretty simple all around. I'm doing mine orange. And you get the idea of it.